Welcome to another video and welcome to our first lesson on solving equations. In mathematics we often use symbols or letters to represent numbers. These are called variables. When we solve an equation we are trying to determine what number the variable is. Let's have a look at example 1. X plus 4 is equal to 15. A number plus 4 makes 15. Well, a lot of us can just guess the answer for simple problems like this. You've probably guessed that x is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. But the problems are going to get a lot tougher in the next few years, and we need to teach you a strategy to solve equations without guessing. So here's how the strategy goes in these lessons. Put a line down the middle of the equals. This creates a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And the key rule, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. So let's get back to example 1. X plus 4 is equal to 15. On the left-hand side we see a plus 4. To get rid of a plus 4, we subtract 4. But if we subtract 4 on the left, we must subtract 4 on the right. 15 minus 4 on the right leaves us with 11. On the left hand side, this plus 4 and this minus 4 make 0. So they cancel to 0, leaving the only thing left on the left is our x, and we've solved the problem. X is equal to the number 11. Quick check, 11 plus 4 does make 15. We're confident x is equal to 11. Alright, example 2. S subtract 2 is equal to 21. So a number take away 2 makes 21. Well, again, in these easy problems some of us can guess, and you've probably guessed by now that S is equal to 23. 23 take away 2 is equal to 21. But again, we're going to show you how to use a strategy to solve more complicated problems later. So, we put a line down the middle. On the left hand side we see this take away 2. To get rid of a take away 2 we do the opposite, which is add 2. But if we add 2 on the left, we must add 2 on the right. On the right, 21 plus 2 makes 23. On the left hand side, this take away 2 and add 2 makes 0. So these cancel to 0, and the only thing left on the left hand side is our S. So S is equal to 23. Our problem is solved. Quick check, 23 minus 2 does make 21. We're confident S is equal to 23. Alright, one last example. A plus 1.45 is equal to 12.231. Now, a number plus 1.45 is equal to 12.231. This is where some students will find guessing a lot tougher. So let's use our strategy once more. A line down the middle. On the left hand side we see this plus 1.45. To get rid of a plus 1.45 we do the opposite, which is minus 1.45. But if we minus 1.45 on the left hand side, we must minus 1.45 on the right hand side. On the right hand side, 12.231 minus 1.45 leaves us with 10.781. On the left hand side, this plus 1.45 and minus 1.45 make 0, so they cancel to nothing, and the only thing left on the left hand side is our A. So we've solved the problem. A is equal to 10.781. A final check, 10.781 plus our 1.45 does make 12.231. Great, thank you very much for watching.